Number 1, we have the Cuckoo CK-G170BS. This is the best electric kettle you can buy on the market and powered by a strong Korean brand. The kettle features a 1.7-liter capacity, making it ideal for preparing multiple servings of tea or coffee. The kettle offers 7 temperature settings ranging from 104 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing precise control for different types of beverages. This feature is enhanced by an LED display that changes color to indicate the water's temperature. A key highlight is the detachable tea infuser, which makes it convenient for steeping loose-leaf teas. The kettle also boasts a 48-hour keep warm function, maintaining the desired temperature long after boiling. Its construction includes high-quality materials such as stainless steel and borosilicate glass, ensuring durability and safety with a no-spill pouring spout. The ergonomic design includes an easy-to-use control panel with temperature adjustment and a Celsius-Fahrenheit toggle. Additionally, the kettle's standby mode displays the current water temperature when placed on its base, adding to its convenience.